Hey guys, what's up? Dexter here. Listen, it is freezing here in, where are we, Melrose? In Melrose. We're ready to get some drone footage of the Hollywood sign. Look. See it? Alright, so, look. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. The Hollywood sign's right here, but I'll get it in just a second.
Hollywood sign. Is it over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight down.
Yeah. It's over pretty well. No, it's back. So,
Oh, okay.
you'll get it.
All right.
Yeah, we gotta go further into it.
Okay. What's up? Hey, so we are in Melrose, and the Hollywood sign is down there. Tailiah just left Paramount Studios for a meeting, and she's capturing some drone footage now. All right. Got the drone. Let's see what it looks like.
Sun coming down.
Oh, it's coming down now.
About to land it.
Oh, here it is. So, just getting some footage, and it's amazing, man. We did not know it was so cold here. I'm surprised you don't have your coat on. The heat is on in the car.
I have a lot of coats, so. But I do have my shawl. I have my shawl.
All right, here it is. She's landing it now. It's just looking down.
Yeah. You get
Tanya, come on, come here. There it is. Who, the dude that stopped? And we out, it's cold.
It's freezing.